Yo, YouTube fam, what's going on? Jeff Fall here, back at it again with another video. And for today's video, we have a dope review on the ESNTLS track pants created by Jose and Juan Zuniga from Teaching Men's Fashion. They have a dope channel on men's fashion and style, so definitely check them out if you haven't already. I was super excited to get a pair of these to review for you guys, and I gotta say, so far, I'm really liking these track pants. So, let's get right into the review. Alright guys, so these are the ESNTLS track pants. So Jose and Juan claim that these are the best track pants that you can currently get on the market. And so far, I'm really liking what I see from these pants. Now, just a disclaimer, I did buy these pants with my own money. Woo! And let me tell you, these pants are $60. Kinda expensive, but still dope. So their goal with these track pants was to create a pair of pants that's stylish yet comfortable and can be worn with pretty much anything and on any occasion. So you can wear them leisurely and keep that chill, comfortable, joggery track pants aesthetic, or you can dress it up and I guess still be comfortable. But for me, these are just gonna be like pants to just chill around in, walk around, go to the store, lounge around in the house, stuff like that. But if you feel the need to dress these up, well, my friends, they're waiting for it. Alright guys, so these pants are constructed out of these pants are created out of 46% nylon, 42% polyester, and 12% spandex. So you know they're gonna be super stretchy and super comfortable pretty much all the time, because yeah, those materials are amazing. Stretch all day. They also feature zippers on both the thigh pockets as well as the butt pockets, one on each side. So yeah, that's a plus. And now some cons for these pants. This first one is not really Jose or Juan's fault, but damn, these pants sold out fast. Like I ended up getting the blue versions, but those aren't the ones that I wanted. So I ended up getting the blue ones, but you know, my heart was set on the black ones. But hey, what can you do? The second con of these pants for me is gonna be the zippers. They are super difficult to open with like one hand. You're gonna need to use both hands to open them up. Let you guys see in a little clip. But that is just my observation. Maybe you guys out there, if you tried these pants, think they're pretty easy to pull down, or maybe it's just the ones that I got. Nonetheless, I do appreciate the thought that Jose and Juan did put into these pants, and the incorporation of zippers into the design was a dope idea. So the third possible con that I can see for these pants is that they are a little long. Not for me personally, I'm about 5'11", and these pants they fit pretty good on me. I'll show you guys in the video. But for other people who are a little shorter, they may be a little too long. So I guess if they want to, they could have them tapered, but they do fit a little longer than other joggers and track pants that I've tried on. And lastly, there's like this weird flap thing in the midsection of the pants. It looks like there should be a zipper behind it, but when you pull it back, there is no zipper, unfortunately. I guess it was to like dress the pants up a little more, make it look like they were more dressy pants, if you guys know what I'm saying. Which I guess is cool if you're gonna wear these pants more dressed up, but for me personally, since I'm gonna wear these more casually, doesn't really make sense. Alright guys, so that was the review of the ESNTLS track pants from Jose and Juan Zuniga over at Teaching Men's Fashion. All in all, I really like these pants, and even with the flaws, which is really just me nitpicking, I really do like these pants. And my only regret is that I didn't get a pair of the black ones when they dropped. Maybe next time, if I have some cash lying around, I'll pick up the black ones. These truly are some of the best track pants that I've had the pleasure of wearing so far. And I honestly feel like if you guys were able to get a pair of these before they sold out, you're super lucky, because everyone else, you're missing out on a great pair of pants. So this is the end of the video, guys. Comment down below if you're able to get a pair of these pants, and let me know what you guys think. Oh man, almost died. And definitely like, comment, and share this video if you guys would. That'd be nice. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.